Let's get started with the top 5 checks to verify before you sign up with a solar company. Number 1. Existence in the solar business. As a rule of thumb, it is advised for you to sign up with a company which has been in the solar business for at least over 4 to 5 years. The reason being, there have been many instances where companies change their name in due course of time, just to get away with the promises they have made to secure the deal at an unbelievable discounted price. Number 2. Underquoting the prices. Let us say you are buying a car. Would you buy the cheapest car possible, potentially compromising the safety and security of your family? Or the one which is safe and secure by paying a bit extra? If someone is underquoting the price, it means most likely they are cutting corners. Industry reports have found that 1 in 5 installations are faulty. Number 3. Is it an office somewhere? Check, is it a virtual office or do they have a physical address where you can walk in and speak to someone for help if need be? Number 4. Selling duplicate panels. One of the most common scams in the industry is the use of unregistered, low-quality or imitation panels. So, choose a company where the panels they use are subjected to checks from the Clean Energy Council to avoid rebadging scams. Number 5. Has previous experience with large-scale solar, 100 kilowatts or above. This is good to have, but not mandatory, as this proves that the company that you are dealing with has the required expertise in the industry. Hi, I'm Naveen, an energy consultant with AU Suntech Energy. And we have physical offices across New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia and Western Australia. If you are a homeowner in Sydney, reach me to have an obligation-free home visit, and I will help you with a suitable solar energy system that meets your current and future energy needs.